Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my brand new subscribers, all my video watchers. If you haven't subscribed and you're thinking about subscribing to Mr. Belle Kitchen, yes, you should subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen while you're watching. I have a lot of videos, and that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that button and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today I'll be cooking in the Power XL. Today I know a lot of people got Power XL, different kind of Power XLs for Christmas and everything. But on this Power XL particularly, I know people raised the top up and had different parts of the Power XL. Wonder what this top is for and everything. And I know when they pick it up, they have a little wiggle in it and everything to wonder how to get it off, how much use it. Well, today, I'm going to show to the people that just subscribe to my channel and wonder how to cook in it and like seeing me cooking. Mr. Belle take you step by step. So it wiggles a little, and that's all you have to do is pick this top up when you get ready to use the saute or anything else. If you're not grilling or if you're not baking, the top come off real easy. I'm going to put it back in one more time so you see how easy it is. Just lift up, don't struggle with it. I'm going to set it to the side. Today I'll be doing something different in this Power XL. It's getting cold, raining, snow, everything. And today I'll be doing some soup. I'll be making some salmon soup today. Today I'll be using one slab of salmon. As you see, I cut it up and wash it up nice and good. And I have it in nice pieces and everything. I have a bundle and a half of spinach. I have 1 cup of green beans. I have 1 clove of garlic, 1/2 a small onion, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 hot pepper, and tamarind seasoned sauce I'll be using, 3 cups of water, and I'll be eyeballing just a little bit of my olive oil. So, and I'm going to put it in here because what I'm going to do, I'm going to just saute these onions and garlic just for a little while. So what I'm going to do, I just eyeball that in there, set it to the side. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on saute, and I'm going to press time. I'm going to set my temperature for 375, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this I'm just set it for 50 minutes. You can always go low in 50 minutes, but I put 50 minutes. I'm going to start it with that. I'm going to let it just warm up. I'm going to press start and let it warm up. And I'll be putting my garlic and onions in after it warm up. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my garlic in there. And you can use whatever you want to use. I'm just using this right here to get it started. Put my onions in. Just saute them just a little bit. Just halfway like that. And I'm telling you, this soup is going to be good because it helps the kids eat their vegetables. So we're going to do it just like this. And that's good like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour my water in there. Pour the water in there like that. Pour that in there. And I'm going to get my salmon and put my salmon in and just lay it in there. Just like that. Just put it in there. Just put all this, as you see, it's cut nice and good. And you can use as much as you want or little. If you want to use a little salmon, you can use a little, but we eat a lot of salmon, so I'm going to use all this just about. And put it in just like this. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the top on. And this top right here, you just sit it on just like this. And when you get ready to take it off, a lot of people take it off from the back. You get the back part wet, so you don't want to take it off like that. You would like to take it off like this. That way, if anything dripping, it drip on the side. And I'm going to put that on for a few minutes before I put my vegetables in and my seasoning, the rest of the season. Okay, what I'm going to do now, it's been like 10 minutes, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the top off, and I'm going to sit it right up here. I'm going to add all my seasoning. I'm going to just stir this just for a little while. It's looking good. I'm going to add all my seasoning in. First of all, I'm going to stick my hot pepper right in there in the middle part. Just let it just float in there. Just pour my black pepper all over in there like that. Just pour it just like that. And I'm going to put my seasoning in. Pour this seasoning in. Give that nice good taste, that sour-like taste. Like that. I'm just going to mix it up a little. Just like that. Let it cook like that. Let everything just cook nice and good. And I'm going to put my green beans in. Put these green beans in. Just like that. And the spinach. Just let that just cook. Just like that. I'm gonna let that cook down just like that. And I'm gonna put the top back on it for a few minutes. And you know, it don't take long to cook salmon. So I'm gonna let it cook for a couple more minutes and get them green beans nice and good and tender and everything. I'm gonna let it cook. And for all you first time watchers, you know, Mr. Belle like to do. Wash your dishes as you cook. Don't leave it for the spouse. Don't leave it for the friend. Don't leave it for the kids. Everybody know the dishes washed. They're going to enjoy your food. So I'm going to wash these dishes and I'll be right back. It's been 27 minutes. And you know it don't take that long to cook salmon. So my green beans looking good and everything. And so I'm going to leave the top off for a little while. And as you see, it's looking good. It's cooking down and everything. It's looking good. This is just about cooked and everything. And you use the time on different, what you put it on. I'm cooking on Saute today, so I use a little more time, which is only take, what, 15, 20 minutes to cook salmon or boil it, whatever. Since I'm using a different one, I'm using just a little bit longer. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna let it take the top off, let it cook a little while before I take it out. And this just about done. It's looking good as you see and everything is ready to come out. This is done, so what I'm gonna do, as you see it's looking good, I'm gonna press cancel. And I'm gonna take this out and put it in a bowl. We're gonna see how this looks. Take it out. And I'm just gonna put it right in this bowl right here. Put it in here and I'm gonna sit this to the side. Sit it to the side. And this right here is going to be a nice little Salmon Soup right here. Going to have this over some rice. And you can have it whatever you want to have it over. I'm going to have it over some rice right here. And this is the Salmon Soup. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all you subscribers. Just subscribe. And if you're watching and you think about subscribing, that's all you have to do. Ding! You are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you.